Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn the continuation part of the lesson Thunder Cake, written by Patricia Polacco. In our previous class, we have completed, all of you open page number 14. We have completed till this paragraph, right? See, don't pay attention to that old thunder except to see how close the storm is getting. When you see the lightning, start counting really slow. When you hear the thunder, stop counting. That number is how many miles away the storm is. Understand? She asked. We need to know how far away the storm is, so we have time to make the cake and get it into the oven before the storm comes, or it won't be real thunder cake. The grandma is saying, don't pay attention to that old thunder, not to pay attention to that old thunder, except to see how close the storm is getting. And she is asking the child to see how close the storm is getting. And she is saying, when the child see the lightning, she has to start counting really slow. When she hear thunder, she have to stop counting. That number will be considered as many miles away the storm is. Okay? And she is asking in this way because we need to know how far they have to know how far the storm is, so that they can make the cake and put that cake into the oven before the storm comes to the farmhouse. Now this paragraph. Her eyes surveyed the black clouds away off in the distance. Her eyes is looking for the black clouds away off in the which is a far off distance. Then she strode. Here strode means cross with one long step. Then she crossed with one long step into the kitchen. Her worn hands, worn means very tied. Her tied hands pulled a thick book from the shelf above the wood stove. There is a book from the shelf above the wood stove, and she pulled that thick book. Let's find that recipe, child. Grandma is saying, let's find that recipe, child. She crowed. Here crowed means, let us see, spoke in a proud, loud voice. She crowed. Let's find that recipe, child. She spoke in a loud voice as she lovingly fingered the grease-stained pages to a grease pot, and she is lovingly showing the pages. Here grease pot means a particular facial expression. She is showing showing with love to a grease spot means a particular facial expressions. She is showing with love and with a different facial expressions. She is explaining the pages. Here it is thunder cake. Here it is thunder cake. She is saying, she carefully penned. Penned means to write with. She carefully penned the ingredients on a piece of notepaper. She took a notepaper and she is writing the ingredients carefully. Now let's gather all the things we will need. And she is asking to gather all the things, whatever they need to prepare a thunder cake. She exclaimed as she scurried towards the back door. Scurried means here we can see move quickly with small short steps. She exclaimed as she moved with small steps towards the back door. Okay. We were by the barn door. Here barn door means a hinged metal flap fitted to a spotlight. We were by the barn door when a huge bolt of lightning flashed. I started counting like Grandma told me to. Like Grandma asked the child to start counting when she see the lightning. So the child started counting like Grandma told me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And come to the next page. Then the thunder roared. 10 miles, it's 10 miles away. Now the thunder is 10 miles away. Grandma said as she looked at the sky about an hour away. I would say you will have to hurry. Child, gather the eggs carefully, she said. Now the storm is 10 miles away, as Grandma said as she looked at the sky. About an hour away means before 1 hour. I would say you will have to hurry. And Grandma is saying the child have to hurry. She is asking the child to gather the eggs carefully. Eggs from mean old Nilly Peck hen. Eggs from mean old Nilly Peck hen. I was scared. I knew she would try to peck me. I am here. She won't hurt you. Just get the eggs, Grandma said softly. As the child was so scared to peck the eggs, the grandma is saying, I'm here. She is there. No need to worry. No need not to hurt. They won't hurt you. The pegs won't hurt you. The hen won't hurt you. Just get the eggs, the grandma is saying in a soft manner. I helped myself to some eggs. And the grandma took some eggs. The lightning flashed again. Again, they can hear a flashlight. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I counted. Again, the child counted 1 to 9. 9 miles. Now, the storm is away 9 miles. Grandma reminded the child. Children, we will continue the continuation part in the next class. Okay? Bye, children.